It's Friday, so we're out here at Silvermine, and you'll never guess who I found here. Yeah.
Just for success in winter.
Okay, let's go. Take a trip. Can you hear the stillness? Present is everything. This is where I like to cultivate me.
Brown eyes.
How awesome is this day? It's like insane.
Like
There's
seriously,
zero wind.
does not make sense.
It's super quiet. There's no one here. You
I'm
can see-
tanning. It's like Cape Town, seriously.
Hello, everyone. How's it going, guys? Look who's here. We have just had the most amazing walk. It's like no one on the mountain, no wind, super hot, probably like the most amazing day in Cape Town. I don't know where everyone is, but they've left it all to us, so it's been flippin' cool.
Yeah.
And we're about to go have a swim here in the lake. Let's see how it goes. What do you say?
Yeah, I think this might be the first time since we've moved to Cape Town that I want to swim. Like, really, we need to get in the water.
And one of my favorite things to do after a hike is to jump into this lake. Never ever regret a swim. And then a nice little walk across the beach, the bridge, barefoot back into the car. Okay, let's go. Three, two, one.
Every Friday, since we've moved to Cape Town, Steve and I have a hike and a swim. And I expect to have amazing days every Friday. And today did not disappoint. It has been absolutely phenomenal. It's just been an incredible day. Cape Town has been so hot. Like right now, I'm pretty cold. But it is absolutely exquisite. Wish you were here.
Okay, so what I've realized over the last couple of weeks, well, it's been a long process, but this is the kind of stuff that I'm working over the last couple of weeks, is that everything's about how I feel inside. I'm transforming myself from the inside, and while this takes a lot of observation and watching what my thoughts are happening, I also realized my environment is super important. And the more I'm able to be in places like this, and places that make me feel good, the easier that task is to do. It's like I'm not even having to do it. Nature is helping me do it, or do it for me. So I invite you to start doing the things that you used to do as a kid, things that make you feel free and alive again. Jumping into a cold lake, you don't get more alive than that. Jumping in the ocean, I love these days when I'm able to do this, because then for me the foundation is already set. I can start from there and everything is easy. So find yourself a place to go. Nature is that bomb.